Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're all doing good. This is Trading Coach, and in today's video, we are going to follow along with our Tradingview lesson series. So, specifically, we are going to discuss about the multi-time frame charts. All right, we will see how we can use multiple chart layouts on the Tradingview platform, and we will see how to use it on the free version. Okay. Of course, so if you are trying to use the TradingView platform, you're using the free version of TradingView platform, you have a lot of restrictions and a lot of limitations, right? So one of the major limitation is you cannot use multiple chart layouts. You cannot look at multi-time frame charts. So if you're a price action trader, if you're someone who's actually studying the market in depth, then it is necessary for you to use multi-time frame charts or multi-time frame analysis. However, if you're using the free version of TradingView platform, it's very hard for you to do that. So in this particular video, I will share you a simple trick and I will walk you through the process of using that multiple chart layout. All right, let us get started. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this Nifty chart over here. So let me click on the icon. So it is taking me to the live chart in the TradingView platform. All right. So right now I'm looking at Nifty 50 one-day chart on the TradingView platform. So if you see the chart, we can see that on the last couple of days, we can see a kind of a nice sell-off on the Nifty 50, right? So let me highlight this particular section over here. Let me do that. So I'm going to take this rectangle option over here and I'm just going to draw it exactly over here, right? So now I have highlighted the price action from the last couple of days. I'm looking at the selling pressure where the momentum is quite high, right? I'm looking at the point where the prices are falling very rapidly from the last couple of days. So if I want to get more insight on this particular sell-off, what I have to do is I have to study the lower time frame. Say for example, from one-day chart, what I have to do is I need to go to something like 2-hour chart. Okay, so once I go to 2-hour chart, the data gets a little expanded. I can study the price action more in depth. All right, more clearly I can see what's happening over here. So in this particular case, I can see that the buyers are losing the game, the sellers are getting a little stronger, and we can also see a lot of gap downs over here on the price action. So the problem in this case is that if I just go to 2-hour chart, I cannot understand what's happening in one-day chart. In order for me to study what's happening in one-day chart, I need to go to one-day chart once again. Likewise, if I have to understand what's happening in a one-day chart in depth, if I want to get more clarity on the price action in a one-day chart, I need to go to the lower time frame like 1-hour chart or 2-hour chart, etc. So in all cases, what happens is I need to shift to the time frame back and forth, right? This is one of the biggest disadvantage for a trader. So what we have to do is we need to look at all the different time frames just on a single chart layout. Okay. So if you are a price action trader or if you want to do something like multi-time frame analysis, then looking at multiple chart layouts on a single window, on a single charting window is very, very beneficial. Okay. But however, if you want to do this on the free version of TradingView platform, you will get an option a little differently. Say for example, if I just click on the select layout option, so here is a tiny rectangular icon, right? So if I just click on this particular icon over here, so this is giving me the option to use multi-time frame analysis. This is giving me the option to look at multi-time frame charts. But however, if I just click on the multi-time frame option, this will ask me to subscribe to the Pro or premium version. All right. So as most of the traders who are using TradingView, they use it mostly for free of cost. Most of them don't have access to premium or pro version. And of course, not many traders can really afford the price, which is actually charged by TradingView. If you are one of those users, if you find it a little difficult to, to take the premium version of TradingView platform, there is a simple solution for that. All right, there is a simple trick, a simple alternative trick. So I'm going to show you what to do. And before I do that, if you are very new to my channel, I recommend you to hit on the subscribe button, tap on the notification icon. In case if you like to learn more about me, more about my trading style, more about my price action strategies and lessons, visit my website, that is www.tradingcoach.co.in. So now let us look at what to do if you want to do multi-time frame analysis on Tradingview. All right, folks. So here we have it. So right now you can see I'm looking at the multiple charts on the same window. So this is what I was referring to, multiple chart layouts or multi-time frame charts. Okay. So this is very, very important. It will give you a kind of eagle view on the markets. It will give you a big picture view on the price action. All right. So if you want to do this on Tradingview, you have to pay for it. But unfortunately, right now I'm using something like investing.com, and in this particular platform, it's absolutely free of cost. I have already made a video on this, right? So I have discussed how to use Tradingview for free of cost in a more straightforward manner. If you haven't seen that video, you can check out that video already. I'll leave the link of that video on the description box. So here in this investing.com platform, we can access the Tradingview charts. I can say almost all the futures of Tradingview charts, nearly like 60 to 70% of the futures of Tradingview charts, except some of the advanced futures, like you can do back testing, forward testing, and things like that. And of course, this particular chart layout is also similar to Tradingview chart. Okay. Say for example, if I just switch it back to single chart layout. Okay. You can see that this chart layout looks exactly like Tradingview platform. And in fact, this is also powered by Tradingview platform. So let's see how. So let me click on this camera icon over here. Let it load. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this link in new tab. Let me show you like how this platform is connected with Tradingview. So here, if you look at the left hand side, topmost corner, you can see that this particular chart is actually powered by Tradingview, right? So, which technically means the platform or the chart which you are seeing on investing.com is also actually powered by Tradingview charts. So, in this particular investing.com, the advantage is you can use almost all the charting futures. You can say a simple version of Tradingview for absolutely free of cost. Okay. So now we will get to the crux of the lesson. We will talk about how to look at the multi-time frame charts, how to add the multi-time frame charts on this particular investing.com platform. So first what I will do is I'll go to one-day chart of Nifty 50. So now I want to focus on the price action exactly on my right. What's happening as a market condition. All right, so I want to see what's happening here. So let me just zoom in a little bit. All right, we're done. So now in order for me to add multiple chart layouts, all I have to do is just click on this chart layout section that is right next to the camera icon. All right. So once I click on this layout section, it asks me if I to use a single chart layout or double chart layout or triple chart layout. So I will just click on the double chart layout. Okay. So once I click on the double chart layout, you can see that I have two different charts on the same window. Right. So this is let's say for example I look at two different time frames. So here I'm looking at one-day chart. Let's say here I want to look at something like 1 hour time frame. So all I have to do is just click on this and go to the time frame section. That is the time interval section, which is on your left hand side up top corner. And click on 1 hour chart. So once you click on this 1 hour chart, that's it. So you can see that on the left hand side we have one-day time frame, and on the right hand side we have something like 1 hour chart. Okay. So now let us say I just want to focus on this specific section over here. I want to see the last 3 candles on the one-day chart. So what I will do is I will just mark it. Okay, I'm gonna mark it exactly over here. All right, so once I mark it, you can see that whatever mark I have done on one-day chart is automatically getting reflected on 1 hour time frame, right? So this is the advantage of using multi-time frame charts. So instead of like going back and forth between 1 day and 1 hour, you can see everything just on a single chart itself, right? Single window itself. And let us say now I want to add another layout. Now I want to look at 15 minutes time frame. In order for me to take a more informed decision, I want to look at something like 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. So what I will do is I will just click on the select layout section once again, and I will click on the 3 chart layout option. So you can see the 3 chart layout option here. I will just click on that. Boom. So now we have 3 different layouts, right? So we have 15 minutes over here on my right hand side, and I have 1 hour chart in the middle, and I also have 1 day chart exactly on the left hand side. So if I just remove the rectangle on one single chart, it will automatically get removed on all the different charts. All right. So it's very easy and very nice, as well as very helpful for a multi-time frame trader. Especially if you are a price action trader, this is very super helpful. Okay. All right. So that's it, folks. Hope you like this video. So if you like this video, if you learned something valuable in this particular video, please click on the thumbs up button over there. And if you have any questions, right, if you want to make more videos, like let's say if you want me to create more such videos, or if you want me to create more videos on multi-time frame analysis or Tradingview, leave your suggestions, leave your feedbacks on the comment box. I will go through it and I will try to create some as per your requests. And if you have any questions on this, leave it on the comments as well. So hopefully we will catch up in the next video, and we'll see you soon.